So next time you open ChatGPT, don't just ask for answers. Play with it, challenge it, add weird rules, travel through time, ask the wrong questions, because that is where the magic really happens. Try one of these tricks today and honestly drop your favorite prompt in the comments below. I'll make sure that I'll feature the most creative ones in my next video. So the first one is the parallel universe swap. Make AI think like someone totally unexpected. How would Elon Musk market my coffee shop? This changes your point of view instantly. You see your problem through a completely different lens. And sometimes that is all you need to unlock the solution. Second trick is the constraint paradox. Okay, this one is super fun. You basically give AI weird random limits to force it to get creative. So instead of just saying explain procrastination, you say explain procrastination using only cooking examples. When you force limits, both the brain and AI become way more imaginative. It is like telling someone to draw something using only circles, and suddenly you get art that is actually interesting. Try this while you are naming products. You can say something like, it has to sound like a dessert, and you will get something creative. While writing bios, you can ask GPT to make it sound like a movie trailer. Or use this method while explaining complex topics to kids. The weirder the constraint, the better the result. Third trick is the future archaeologist. This one is my favorite because it completely changes your perspective. Ask AI to pretend it is in the future, looking back at today. So instead of asking what will people say about how we used AI in 2025, you ask, you are a historian in 2124. What will people say about how we used AI in 2025? And this is the result. What this does is remove all your biases and give you a long-term view. AI will often reveal patterns or warnings that you would never notice when you are stuck in the present moment. Try this with your startup idea, your lifestyle choices, tech predictions, anything where you need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Here's the thing. When you learn how to actually talk to AI creatively, it stops being just a tool and starts feeling like that one friend who challenges your thinking, pushes you further, and makes you go, oh, I never thought about it that way. Try one of these tricks today and honestly drop your favorite prompt in the comments below. I'll make sure that I'll feature the most creative ones in my next video. See you then.